Good morning students. I hope all of you are good and you are learning your lessons very well. In the first semester, we have studied one beautiful poem, The Golden Fish. In that poem, we can keep the fishes in our houses and we can look after them. We can call them as pets. The same way, we can keep other animals also as our pets. For example, cats, dogs, lovebirds, pigeons, etc. Yes, surely many of you are keeping some of the pet animals in your houses. But how they are behaving with us? Are they friendly with you? Are they behave like human beings? We will see this in the poem. Here is one poem for you. The poem tells us that my pig won't let me to watch TV. Means here is one pet animal, that is pig, and one boy is telling that my pig won't let me to watch TV. Let us see this in the poem. Poem number 8. My pig won't let me watch TV. The name of the poem itself is very interesting. My pig won't let me to watch TV. It is in the page number 108. Children, this poem is written by a poet, Ken Nosbit. Ken Nosbit. What does the poet want to explain through this poem? We will see now. I will read one paragraph and explain you. Please see page number 108. My pig won't let me to watch TV. It is totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but does not even share. Here one boy is telling about his pet animal pig. My pig won't let me to watch TV. Won't means will not. Won't. Will not. My pig will not let me to watch TV. My pig is not allowing me to watch the TV. It is totally unfair. What is the meaning of unfair? It is not good. Unfair. Unfair, not good. He don't like this pig. It is totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but does not even share. This pig watches the TV every time which he wants. Which program he wants, he watches but does not even share. It is not sharing the other programs. It is not giving others to see the TV anytime. That's why the boy is telling that the pig is not good. It is unfair. I never get to watch cartoons or anything like that. He is busy watching farming shows. I should have got a cat. I never get to watch cartoons. This boy wants to watch cartoons. My dear students, all of you like to watch cartoons. Especially the small children likes to watch the cartoons. There are variety of cartoons like Hoggy the Cockroach, Doraemon, Shin-chan. All of you are watching, right? Yes, this boy also want to watch the cartoons or anything like that. Any other programs like kids program, some films or anything he wants to watch. He is farming shows. But this pig is not allowing to watch any other programs to anybody. He is always watching the programs related to farming. What is the meaning of farming? Agriculture. Like that. The programs related to agriculture. That type of programs this pig want to watch. I should have got a cat. Instead of keeping this pig, I should have got a cat. If I was keeping the cat instead of this pig, it was good for me. I should have got a goldfish or a Junia pig or goat. Instead, I have got this pig who is always hogging the remote. This boy is telling, I should have got a goldfish. Now, he is thinking that, now I kept this pig, but this pig is not friendly with me. It does not share anything to me in the programs. So, instead of this, I could have get other animals. Maybe the golden fish or a goat and Junia pig. Junia pig is a pig. It is a South American animal. It is just like a rat, a small rat, but it is a tailless. Totally we can say that a tailless South American rat-like animal is called as a Junia pig. That also could be. If I was keeping that animal also, it was nice for me. Instead I got this pig. Now what to do? I have kept this pig who is always hogging the remote. This pig is always hogging the remote. Hogging means selfish. The meaning of hogging is selfish. Selfish means it does not share anything with others. Remote. Children, do you know what is remote? Yes, of course, all of you know, because when we are watching the TV, we are using remotes. Remote is a device which will help us to change the channels or on or off the television. It is very useful. By sitting in our place, we can do everything in the TV. So, this remote is very important thing. It's a device. And this remote pig will take and it does not share this remote with others. So, this boy is telling that the pig is very selfish. Sometimes we will also do like that. We will not give this remote to any others. While watching the TV, from this poem, we can learn that we have to share anything with others. For example, television. In the TV, variety of programs will come. Everybody doesn't like the same programs. Then what we have to do? We have to give some time to others also. Every time you are watching cartoons, that is not good. You have to give some chance to your parents also. Father likes one program, mother likes other program, children like different programs. So, we have to share the TV with others. So, through this poem, we can learn many things. And in this poem, 8 lines means 2 paragraphs you have to memorize. Okay. Now, we will see some of the activities which are given in the book. Here is one chart, like a puzzle. There are some names of the animals and birds. And there are some pictures. You have to find out the names of these animals and birds. 1 or 2 examples I will tell you. Remaining all you should find out and write it in your reader. The first one is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. The second bird is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Like this, columns will come. So, you have to find out all the names of the birds and the animals in this chart. It is in the page number 110. Here is one more activity. There are some jumbled words which are in the poem. From that jumbled words, you have to find out the correct words which are given in the poem. Let us see that. First one is REMOT. But this word is not jumbled. They have given as it is. That is remote. Second one, HARES. That is share. 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 Third one, SHIF. That is fish. 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 Fourth one is TACHW. This is a word watch. 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 Next one is TROMEE. Here is a word, that is the first word remote. 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 Next one is RACNOTO. That is cartoon. 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 Your favorite program, cartoon. Next one is MARFNIG. That is farming. And the last one is NATYINGH. That is anything. These are the correct words from the jumbled words given in the books. You have to write it in the classwork. When we give the other classes in the PDF, with that you have to write. Understand, children? I hope all of you understood this poem and understood the meaning of the sharing the things with others. Thank you.